The key to any gnocchi and the key to many foods is balance. But here, what you have, the basis is cheese, ricotta cheese and Parmesan cheese. What you need is to find a way to hold those together. Now you could just dump in a ton of flour and some eggs, and you could glue anything together with flour and eggs. But then they become heavy. They become like bad matzo balls. So the idea is to find the balance of the least possible amount of flour that will bind the ricotta. So this is a 15-ounce container of ricotta, 2 eggs, sans shell, and about 1.5 cups of Parmesan. It's a lot of Parmesan, but ricotta is very, very bland, and you need some flavor. You want some flavor in here. With a large pinch of salt, despite the Parmesan, and a little bit of pepper. Now, obviously, if you put that in boiling water or tried to do anything with it, it would fall apart immediately. So this is why we need some flour. And we're using just a cup. You can use 3/4 cup of flour, and the gnocchi won't crumble in the water, but they will start shedding little bits of themselves. So a little bit at a time, blend it in well. Our sauce, which I can start now, is going to be browned butter, beurre noisette, nut butter, with a lot of sage in it. Salted, just simmering water, a nice rounded tablespoon. And it should sink, and when it's done, it will rise to the top. Okay, the butter, as you can see, is nicely browned. We're going to throw in some sage leaves and turn that off for now. You can take them out at that point and put them in a baking dish, reheat them later with the sauce on top, or you can just eat them then and there. And even more Parmesan. So good.